first grade. Welcome back to day 2 of our sentence. So, yesterday we learned that our character went to visit the pigs, and so he went to the pen. So, now we're going to see where they go next. So, let's read our small paragraph and figure out where they go next, and then let's build our sentence to make sure we make sure we put all of our great pieces of our sentence in, and to make sure that we identify all the different pieces. So here we go. It says, "It was getting hot outside in the sun. Sweat trickled down my back. I thought, it would be great to enjoy a little shade. I could sit beneath a big leafy tree, but that wouldn't be the best place to see farm animals. Then I remembered a place that was cool and dim inside. I dragged myself up the path towards the big red building where the sheep and horses stayed. Where did I go?" So let's think. A big red building where sheep and horses stay. It's dim and cool inside. You're right. I went to the barn. So let's write that down in our sentence. Okay, so let's come back to our word wall, our sentences for the week, and go back over the words that we're going to see this week. So we're going to see I to the pen, went, park, barn, and garden. So yesterday, the little boy went and searched for pigs, and where did he go? Well, he said, I went to the pen. Well, in today's story, he was talking about how he was hot and how he wanted a cool place where he could stay and the sheep and horse stay. And we were saying, where did he go? Well, we decided that he went to the barn. So we're going to write, I went to the barn. So again, we're going to make sure that we start our sentence with a capital letter. I went to the barn. And we're going to make sure we have a period at the end. Now we need to identify the subject and the predicate, and we need to put a slash. So our slash happens right here. I is our subject. That's who we're talking about. That's who we're talking about in the story. The predicate's what they're doing. Went to the barn is what they're doing. So we're going to take our red pencil and we're going to underline our subject, which is I, in red. And then we're going to take our green and we're going to underline our predicate in green because they went to the barn. So our subject was in red, our predicate is in green. We're then going to make sure that we take our blue and we trace over the I and make sure that always make sure that the first letter of our new sentence is capitalized. And then we're going to trace over the punctuation so we can make sure that we have our punctuation at the end. So I went to the barn. When you've written that down and made sure that you've colored it, make sure you put that inside of your Schoology. Take a picture and put it in your Schoology.